Non-Volatile Memory Express, NVMe, is a groundbreaking technology that significantly enhances storage performance, transforming user experiences with faster boot times and application launches. This micro-tutorial provides insights into NVMe, explaining its function, applications, and benefits. In today's data-driven world, quick access to information is crucial, making NVMe essential for both casual users and professionals. It caters to various needs, from gamers seeking reduced load times to data analysts requiring swift access to extensive datasets. NVMe connects solid-state drives, SSDs, directly to a computer's motherboard, leveraging the PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, interface for superior data transfer speeds compared to traditional hard disk drives or SATA SSDs. This technology maximizes the potential of modern flash memory, facilitating efficient data manipulation and retrieval. Understanding NVMe equips users to make informed decisions regarding their storage solutions, acknowledging its role in enhancing overall computing experiences. As the demand for speed and data access continues to grow, NVMe stands out as a key player in the evolution of storage technology.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro-tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.